welcome to our
Louder.
channel, Tulinis, and today we are here in Palawan Crocodile Rescue Center, and there are so many animals here.
Before we go to the live crocodile. So by the way, if you want to take more pictures here, you can come back later. So mabuhay, good morning, my name is Anna, and I'll be your in-house guide. So by the way, this crocodile is named Rio. R-I-O. From Rio to Baligur, Batanasa, that is in the south of Palawan. So this crocodile was purposely captured. He accidentally attacked a native fisherman from the area. It was confirmed he swallowed the right leg of the victim. Rio was captured around 4/99.
Ate,
By the way po sa buong mundo po, there are 24 skin. We are a special project of DNR to conserve and to rescue wildlife animals here in the province of Palawan. Yung mga crocodile products po na
They are more active.
don't touch ha.
They are more aggressive than the adult.
Ay, tagusa. Tagusa kada kuan. 1 each kuan, 1 each. How many? Oh, 1 each. What's this? 1 each box.
Dili sila mag-open sa mouth.
1 each box. Di ay, abi na kong daghan.
Kaya ito ito ko dahil sisig.
Why? Why? What's this? Ah, so many! Ah, so many!
Why are they freezing?
Mo ni siya ang salt water, no? Kay everywhere man ang spots.
Can we try to touch?
Later.
60 pesos.
Yung mayroong tape yung bunganga.
Oh my god, I'm so scared.
Oh my goodness.
Ano, naganay?
They are more active than the adult
They're not opening their mouth lagi.
because
They are nocturnal, they are more active in night. So in the day.
Uy! Taas lagi silang suwang. Taas ilang ka ng... Ano? Taas.
What's the
Keep quiet, ate.
No sound.
ng tour. Dito po pakiingatan lang po yung mga gamit na huwag mahulog, huwag i-provoke yung mga crocodile at huwag magtapon ng kahit anong bagay para pagalawin po sila. Sa last po ng crocodile po sa right side, sa Aklan po ito, from province po ng Aklan. Estimated na sa 60 to 70 years old, lalaki po yan, saltwater crocodile. So, sa left side, ito naman po si Mark from Marabahay, from south of Palawan. Estimated 30 to 40 years old, mayor po yan siya, saltwater crocodile. Yung mga edad po nila, na-estimate lang po namin sa haba lang po ng crocodile, captured lang from the wild.
Uy!
So, dito naman po sa third pen, ito po yung pinakamahaba po sa lahat. So, repeat them here.
happened, Dad? Why did you say hello?
Hindi po namin sila araw-araw pinapakain. All of the crocodiles, they have slow metabolism. And they are carnivorous, so they feed on pork, chicken, beef, and fish. 5 kilograms per feeding, maximum 10 kilograms from our breeding area. So most of the crocodiles here, they are our breeders before, but now non-reproductive. So 8 up to 12 years old, they can already produce eggs, and the reproductive life of the crocodile is 20 up to 40 years. They lay eggs.
Picture na po, 5.
picture na po. Alin yun?
Bata.
Kami lang. Kami muna, whole family.
Sige.
Sige, be, sige.
All family. Huwag mo lang kigayin mo sa disa.
Oh.
Okay. Ma'am! Ito na. Ma'am, sali ka dito. Udak ki ma'am. You want?
I want to open
Thank you, sir.
this.
So that's your pet now?
Ako, picture yun. Video, ibi.
I want.
Ayaw, don't poke. Kanang, okay na siya, no? Kanang buutan ba? Di siya manguan.
Hey guys.
Let's go!
Touch siya, ha? Dala, sige. Oh, enough na, enough na. Ay!
Why is it doing like that?
Ayaw na, ayaw na. Excuse
Is
me.
that really your Aggie?
Dili maklaro eh. Ayaw na.
Di man,
How
gubaon.
is it white? Alaha then.
Tara, tara.
Balay muna ko.
Ubadura.
Di maklaro eh.
We are here in Giant Slide.
Giant's Light, Mitra Ranch.
It's the chipper like that.
Yeah, it's teacher Bernardo.
Pili muna.
Sige po, sige po.
Donna. So this is Mitra Ranch, guys. Actually, this is way back is a ranch. But,
Ranch, mga kabayo,
yeah,
ganyan.
but
Farm.
because they open it to the public and then the waste of these animals might be...
Mabaho,
it's
ganyan.
Giant Slide.
Yeah.
It's going down there if you want to avail that. No time to go to El Nido. We just go here beside our beach, Punda Bay. Starfish Island, Bird Island, Kauri Island, Pambato Reef, and the Lulubog Lilitao Island. Lulubog Lilitao.
No, uy, uy, uy.
Very chill.
Kata.
Dahan-dahan lang guys, not very fast, not very slow.
Kalaki lang. No, uy.
I want this one, but it's purple.
Ya, asa mama na, oh. Asa ko to?
Ano ibang paklaro? Doon na po yan.
Saka nang kuhan. We are in
Church. Plaza Cortel. Ah!
Dungeon, there are small holes there. Later on, I will continue the hole. So the hole,
Daddy, look at the top.
we go there, all the people there on that hole, and then they pour it.
Why is it English here then?
Dito po yung pick up for tomorrow.
Yes po. Makakalimutan po tayo dito. May ano, may 2 days and 1 night po. So, ang mangyayari po po sa sa Puerto Princesa po.
Ah, hindi dito. Akala ko dito. Ah, okay.
Apo, so ang mangyayari po
Ah,
tomorrow.
tomorrow may ano.
Opo, hapon pa po, ma'am. So, tomorrow, ma'am. I love this hotel room.
Daddy!
Nino, no? Be?
Habi! Habi, say it!
But only one day.
Come on, sit!
Hi guys, we're already here in our hotel room, El Mido.
Nindot sa iba.
Everybody!
Good night, everybody. We will be. This is day 1, and tomorrow will be day 2. Day 3, Mahut. We are now in Palawan. We are now in El Nido.